Welcome guys, so today I am with Audio-Technica earbuds and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your Android smartphone. So at the first, you will find on these earbuds these physical buttons at the bottom like that, and right here on the upper section you will find indicators. So when we move them to the pairing mode, this indicator on the right one will quickly blinks on the white. So let's make it. Click and hold these two buttons, take a look on the indicators. As you can see, the right one is blinking quickly, so we can simply release the buttons and then we can simply move for the Bluetooth settings on our Android smartphone. Click to pair new device and just wait until they pops on the available devices list. Here they are, so we can simply tap once, accept pairing request, and right now we are successfully connected. So right now we can also get the Audio-Technica application from the Play Store to get more features from our earbuds. So let's open the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type Audio-Technica. We have to get this application, so let's install. Right now we can open. We have to accept all of this stuff that pops on the screen. Accept location. Click on the settings, we can allow all the time, then just go back. And here they are. So after a few moments, application is will be looking for our earbuds, so we have to be patient. Okay, as you can see, unfortunately application cannot find our earbuds, so here we got the instruction. We can simply go back and wait one more time. Let's make the search. If the same thing appears on the screen, we will move them to the pairing mode manually, so don't worry. Okay, so right now let's turn them off. So we have to click and hold these two buttons for 4 seconds until both earbuds blinks on the white. Keep holding. Right now we can release and then turn them on by pressing on the two buttons for 2 seconds. Okay, right now we can release, go back, and let's make this search one more time. Okay, that's not a good thing that we cannot connect them. I think that we can try to put them back to the case. I mean that's basically good that it happens on the video, because in the most kind of the pairing videos everything goes fine and you can go step by step and you can connect them. But right now we are going together try to find out what is going on. Maybe we can go for the Bluetooth settings and unpair them from our phone. Let's go back for the application one more time. Let's close the case. Let's open it. Let's take them off. And I think that right now we can try to move them to the pairing mode. So click and hold these two buttons until one of the indicator start blinking quickly, like the right one. Okay, still we are not managed to connect them properly. I think that we can maybe turn off the Bluetooth and turn it on back. Okay, so right now when we restart the Bluetooth, looks like everything is fine. So just tap on the earbuds, and as you can see, we get the manual instruction that we have to connect them like previously by the normal Bluetooth settings, but we did it in the last try, so that's strange. But okay, let's select our earbuds, accept pairing request. Let's go back for the application. Okay, as you can see, it's fine, everything. Let's click start. Okay, and there it is. Right now we are in the application, and let's see if everything is fine. Let's tap on the settings. So we have to tap right here to open the settings. Am I right? Okay, that's strange a little bit. Okay, right now we are in the settings. So to sum up, I just tried to connect them before the video, and everything was fine. But right now when I try to record this tutorial video for you, some kind of the bugs appears, but that's good. So I think if you have the same problem while connecting this earbuds to your phone, you have to unpair them from the Bluetooth. Right here we are talking about the Bluetooth settings. So you have to unpair them, then turn off Bluetooth, turn it on back, move them to the pairing mode manually by using these two buttons. So hold them until this right earbud indicator starts blinking quickly, and after that just go for the application and try to make the search. So I hope that this video is going to help you, and if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.